Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7332 on a Volkswagen Golf R. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. Starting off, remove all the screws along the underside of the rear bumper. Remove the screws located inside the wheel wells. Then pull the liner back to reveal one more screw and remove it. Open the rear hatch and pull back the carpet liner to reach the taillight securing pin. Unscrew the pin. Then pull the taillight assembly out and disconnect its wiring harness. Use a screwdriver or trim removal tool to gently pull back the bumper, starting from the outside and working towards the center. Some vehicles will have a wiring harness to disconnect as well. Next, discard the foam bar and remove the 7 bolts securing the factory crossmember to the vehicle. If your vehicle has backup sensors like this one, they will also have to be unbolted and moved out of the way. Lift your EcoHitch into place and loosely thread a bolt into each side to support it. Now insert a 1/2-inch bolt and washer from behind through the 2 shown holes. Secure them with a serrated nut. Remove the loosely threaded bolts from earlier. Place the factory crossmember over the hitch and secure each hole with a washer, lock washer, and nut. If equipped, the passenger side sensor holes will need to be slightly largened to fit the new bolts. You can now torque down all the hardware. Follow the guidelines in your instructions to mark and trim your bumper to clear your new hitch. Reinstall the bumper and tail lights. EcoHitch is now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torquelift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.